Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly special, Emily Henderson-inspired farmhouse Christmas decor that beautifully blends modern sensibility with vintage charm and rustic warmth. If you're dreaming of a holiday home that feels both collected and curated, you're in exactly the right place. We'll explore every corner of the farmhouse, from welcoming facades to intimate reading nooks. Before we begin this festive journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite farmhouse Christmas tradition. We absolutely love hearing from you. Let's start where your guest's experience begins, the exterior. Emily Henderson's approach to farmhouse facades during Christmas celebrates simplicity with impact. Think classic evergreen wreaths on weathered barn doors, galvanized metal planters filled with fresh pine and berry branches, and Edison bulb string lights draped along porch railings. The key is restrained elegance. Avoid overwhelming the architecture. Add vintage wooden ladders leaning against the porch with cozy plaid blankets draped over rungs. Consider a modern touch with monochromatic color schemes, all whites and greens, or creams with natural wood tones. This creates what designers call visual cohesion, where every element works harmoniously together. Your entryway sets the emotional tone for the entire home. Emily's signature style here combines function with beauty. A reclaimed wood console table adorned with a vintage brass tray for keys, mercury glass votives casting warm light, and a statement mirror with an aged patina above. Install shaker-style peg rails for coats and hats, adding festive velvet ribbons and small eucalyptus bundles. A jute runner layered over sisal creates textural interest underfoot, while a cushioned bench with linen pillows offers practical seating. The Christmas touch? A fresh garland with dried oranges and cinnamon sticks creates aromatic welcome. Remember, an entryway should be beautiful but never cluttered. Edit ruthlessly. The living room is your farmhouse heart, and Emily's approach is all about layered comfort. Start with a neutral foundation. Think oatmeal linen sofas and a vintage Turkish rug with faded patterns. The modern element comes through clean-lined furniture, while vintage finds like a restored steamer trunk coffee table add character. For Christmas, introduce texture through chunky knit throws in cream and rust tones, velvet pillows in muted sage, and woven baskets filled with wool blankets. Window treatments matter. Simple linen panels allow natural light while maintaining that airy farmhouse aesthetic. This layering technique creates what we call visual warmth, making spaces feel inviting without feeling busy. Emily Henderson's Christmas trees are never overly themed. They're collected, personal, and effortlessly stylish. Choose a full, fresh tree and embrace an edited, eclectic approach to ornaments. Mix vintage glass baubles from flea markets with modern matte ceramic ornaments and natural wood decorations. Incorporate handmade felt garlands and dried citrus slices for organic texture. The secret? Limit your color palette to 3 tones, perhaps cream, copper, and forest green. Use warm white LED lights for that soft glow without the color-temperature clash. Top with something unexpected like a vintage metal star or oversized velvet bow. Underneath, wrap presents in craft paper tied with linen ribbons and fresh greenery sprigs. The mantel is prime real estate for showcasing Emily's signature styling philosophy. Start with symmetry, then intentionally break it. This creates dynamic interest. Anchor the center with a large vintage botanical print or aged mirror. Flank with varying heights of brass candlesticks and mercury glass hurricanes. Add organic elements. Magnolia stems in vintage ironstone pitchers, eucalyptus garland draped casually, and wooden bead garlands for subtle texture. The modern twist? Incorporate one sculptural element, perhaps a minimalist ceramic vase or geometric brass object. This technique, called high-low mixing, prevents the space from feeling too precious or overly rustic. Always leave negative space. Restraint reads as sophistication. Emily's dining rooms celebrate the art of gathering with unpretentious elegance. A reclaimed wood farm table becomes your canvas. Leave the beautiful grain exposed rather than covering completely. Layer vintage linen table runners down the center, then style with brass candlesticks of varying heights, creating what designers call visual rhythm. Mix vintage china patterns. Don't match perfectly, that's the charm. Add pressed glass goblets and matte black flatware for modern contrast. Centerpieces should sit low. Try wooden dough bowls filled with fresh greenery, gilded pine cones, and flickering votives. Rattan chargers or simple linen placemats add warmth. The goal? A table that whispers, "Stay a while," rather than screaming, "Don't touch." Lighting transforms dining experiences from ordinary to memorable. Emily favors modern farmhouse fixtures. Think oversized black metal chandeliers with Edison bulbs or aged brass pendants with seated glass shades. The key is scale. Your fixture should be substantial without overwhelming, typically about 2/3 the table width. For Christmas, consider weaving delicate greenery through the chandelier arms or suspending minimal glass ornaments at varying heights. Install a dimmer switch. This single upgrade allows you to adjust ambience from bright family dinners to intimate candlelit gatherings. Layer with wall sconces if space allows. Proper lighting design creates what we call atmospheric layers, essential for holiday entertaining. Farmhouse kitchens should be workhorses that happen to be beautiful. Emily's approach keeps counters mostly clear, displaying only what's useful and lovely. A vintage wooden cutting board leaning against the backsplash, a stoneware crock holding wooden spoons, and a marble pastry board ready for holiday baking. For Christmas, add subtle touches. A small potted rosemary tree shaped like a Christmas tree, vintage copper measuring cups filled with cinnamon sticks, or a simple garland tucked behind open shelving. Choose a cohesive color story. Perhaps all-white ceramics with natural wood and touches of aged brass. This restrained approach, called edited styling, ensures your kitchen remains functional while feeling festive and intentional. If you have open shelving, quintessentially farmhouse, Christmas is perfect for thoughtful styling. Emily's method involves balancing everyday function with seasonal beauty. Arrange white ironstone and stoneware in groups of 3 or 5. Odd numbers are more visually pleasing. Tuck small evergreen sprigs between stacked plates, or Nestle vintage Christmas postcards against displayed bowls. On the counter below your vintage-inspired refrigerator, position a small wooden tray with your pour-over coffee setup beside a simple vase of winter branches. Near your range, keep essential cooking tools in a vintage crock adorned with a simple ribbon. The farmhouse aesthetic celebrates objects in use. Nothing feels too precious to touch or use daily. The family room differs from the formal living room. It's where life actually happens. Emily designs these spaces to be durable, comfortable, and still beautiful. A chunky sectional in performance linen faces the flat-screen TV. Consider a frame TV for artwork display when not watching. Add a vintage trunk for coffee table and hidden toy storage, layered with books and a reclaimed wood tray. Incorporate a gallery wall mixing vintage landscapes, family photos in mismatched frames, and maybe a small wreath. Christmas touches? Faux fur throws, plaid pillows, and a basket of pine cones the kids can help gather. This room embodies livable luxury, beautiful enough to love, durable enough for real life. Even small spaces deserve Emily's thoughtful approach. Carve out a multifunctional workspace with a unique vintage desk, perhaps a refinished secretary or a simple farm table against a window. A modern task lamp provides function, while a vintage desk clock and small wooden radio add character without cluttering. Choose a comfortable chair, maybe a vintage wooden chair with a sheepskin throw for comfort. For Christmas, add a small potted paper-white narcissus and a simple wooden bead garland across your bulletin board. Install floating shelves above for books and vintage storage boxes. This demonstrates space efficiency, maximizing function and beauty in compact areas, essential for modern farmhouse living without dedicated office rooms. Create a retreat within your home. Emily loves dedicating a corner to pure comfort. Position a vintage upholstered armchair near a window. Add a floor lamp with warm-toned shade, and layer with soft textiles, a chunky knit throw, velvet pillow, and sheepskin underfoot. A small side table holds your coffee and current read. For Christmas, drape a simple evergreen garland around the window frame and place a vintage brass candlestick on the side table. This space exemplifies hygge, that Danish concept of cozy contentment Emily often channels. It's not about more stuff, it's about creating an intentional sanctuary. Even a 4x4 corner can become your favorite room spot with thoughtful styling. Emily approaches bedrooms as serene sanctuaries, especially important during hectic holidays. Start with layered bedding, white linen duvet, vintage quilts folded at the foot, and an abundance of pillows in varying textures. Keep Christmas decor minimal and sophisticated, a simple evergreen wreath above the bed, vintage brass candlesticks on nightstands with battery-operated candles, and perhaps a velvet ribbon tied around a stack of books. Choose a vintage wooden bench at the bed's foot for laying out tomorrow's clothes. The color palette stays neutral: whites, creams, soft grays, with perhaps one accent color like dusty blue or sage. This creates visual rest, letting your bedroom truly function as the peaceful retreat you need. It's the small details that make Emily's designs feel collected and personal. On your nightstand, style a small vintage silver tray with a bud vase holding one seasonal stem, your reading glasses, and a vintage trinket dish. Hang a vintage mirror with beautiful patina above a simple dresser, styled with a wooden jewelry box and framed family photos. For Christmas, add a small bottle brush tree or fill a vintage glass cloche with tiny ornaments. Window treatments matter. Simple linen Roman shades or cafe curtains maintain privacy while maximizing natural light. These curated moments demonstrate intentional styling. Every object serves a purpose or brings joy. Nothing is arbitrary or purely decorative without meaning. Farmhouse bathrooms blend vintage character with modern functionality beautifully. If you have a shower, consider a simple evergreen bundle tied to the shower head with twine. The steam releases wonderful fragrance. At the vessel sink, or traditional pedestal, display white vintage pitchers and ironstone containers holding cotton balls and swabs. A wooden ladder towel rack adds vertical storage and visual interest. Hang white waffle weave towels and small wreaths on alternating rungs for Christmas. Place a vintage wooden stool beside the tub with rolled towels and a brass tray holding artisan soaps. Add a small vintage mirror and some eucalyptus in a bud vase. This creates spa-like simplicity, even in modest farmhouse bathrooms. Emily proves that even garages deserve design attention. Install shaker peg rails for hanging tools, bikes, and seasonal decor storage. Use vintage galvanized buckets and wooden crates for organizing smaller items. This keeps function beautiful. For Christmas, your garage becomes festive storage central. Clearly label wooden crates with chalkboard tags for each room's decorations. Hang wreaths on pegboards and store garlands in vintage suitcases. Everything stays organized and accessible. Install simple open shelving with reclaimed wood for frequently used items. Even utilitarian spaces benefit from functional aesthetics, where organization systems are attractive enough to maintain. A well-organized garage makes decorating and undecorating less daunting, protecting your sanity during busy seasons. Don't neglect outdoor spaces. Emily's farmhouse patios are natural extensions of interior style. Create a seating area with weathered Adirondack chairs around a metal fire pit for Christmas evening gatherings. Style with outdoor-safe elements. Galvanized metal planters filled with evergreen branches and berry stems, vintage lanterns with battery candles creating ambient lighting along the perimeter, and a rustic wooden bench with weatherproof plaid cushions. String Edison bulb lights overhead between posts or trees. Add a vintage metal cart as a drink station. Even if you're not entertaining outdoors in winter, creating this vignette adds visual interest from interior windows. This demonstrates indoor-outdoor cohesion, treating exterior spaces with the same design consideration. Let's distill Emily Henderson's signature approach. It's about balancing three elements: modern, clean lines, edited spaces; vintage, character pieces with history; and rustic, natural materials, organic textures. The ratio might shift room by room, but all three elements should be present. Shop secondhand for unique pieces. Invest in quality neutrals and add trend-driven accents inexpensively. Her Christmas decor philosophy? Never sacrifice your overall aesthetic for a holiday. Instead, enhance what already exists with seasonal layers you'll actually enjoy. This is design authenticity. Your home should reflect your life and values, not magazine perfectionism. The goal isn't recreating Emily's home, it's understanding her principles to create your own farmhouse Christmas magic. Ready to implement these ideas? Start with what you have. Shop your home before buying anything new. Gather all potential Christmas decor and add it to only what fits your aesthetic. Create a cohesive color palette, write it down. Then shop thrift stores, estate sales, and flea markets for vintage brass, ironstone, and unique textiles. Invest in quality evergreen garland and stems. They're your foundation. Make a room-by-room plan, styling one space completely before moving to the next. This prevents overwhelming yourself. Take photos as you go. Your camera reveals what your eye might miss. Remember, Emily's homes feel collected over time. Don't expect perfection immediately. This is iterative design, improving and refining season after season as you discover what truly works. There you have it, a complete tour through Emily Henderson-inspired farmhouse Christmas decor that seamlessly blends modern sensibility, vintage treasures, and rustic warmth. Remember, the most beautiful homes aren't perfectly styled magazine shoots. They're spaces filled with intention, meaning, and the people you love. Start small, trust your instincts, and let your personality shine through every decorative choice. Your farmhouse Christmas should feel like the coziest, most authentic version of home. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow design lovers. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly inspiration that makes beautiful living accessible to everyone. Comment below with which room you're decorating first. Let's keep this conversation going. Happy decorating, and may your holidays be filled with beauty, warmth, and joy.